Shai Takana Oya the key. As we bring our attention to being Chohoya the Kai through the base of the left side of the field, Choro Otana Kai Chashai the Hai the Koya. This sense here that it is within time, Choro Otana Kai Chashai, that it is time to emerge, Achano Koyata Kai Chashai, that we have sought other ways, Choro Otana Kai Chashai. Perhaps what we felt at the time were easier ways, Choro Otana Kai Chashai Koya, ways that may have not required us to fully expose ourselves, Achano Koya Taki Chohoya, which means more or less that we were able to maintain a part of our presence through the programs, Chara Otana Kai, feeling that release through the top of the spine, flooding the gates here, and specifically feeling this through the abdomen, releasing through the pelvic region, inside, up close, personal. This messiness of vulnerability, where the confusion would start to appear like a fog, creating a fog within the mind, as if we were continuously trying to pierce our own veil, almost as if trying to pull out a deeply embedded splinter. The more you touch it and try to maneuver it, the more painful it becomes. And yet, that reminder, as it is left intact, that subtle throbbing pain, just beneath the surface, when you hit it just right, this reminder that something needs to be removed, having to go back, using a variety of attempts, until finally the knowing that you must withstand the pain to fully remove this. And yet, a large part of the fear of the pain comes from hoping that you won't have to endure quite so much pain, rather than accepting this must be removed, that the pain is temporary, that the pain is showing you where the removal must occur. So transcending this relationship with pain and fear through the root, through the base of the spine, within the tailbone, within the sacrum, the back side of the pelvis here, the seat of the soul, where we come in to soften this inflammation, through the right side of the base of the field. Chara otana kai chusha oya taki chohoya. This suppression of wounding, chara atano koya chusha I chohoya takai chusha oya. And how this no longer works for us. Chara atana ki chohoya. Dara I chiato koya chusha I. The impulse here being rage, atoto kocha I. How else do we get this out? Chara otana ki chohoya takai. And yet, seeing the other side of this, chohoya taki, sitting fully over my own power here, chohoya taki, chohoya jishai, allowing this to rise through the base. The pain and knowing that I felt I had to express it in a particular way. I felt I needed to make others understand. Choro otana kai, choro otani I. I needed to have my anger accepted. Chara autono koya chashi I chohoya. Looking for this external validation. Chara otana kai chashaya ya toya. And yet, can we internalize this process? Not through suppression, but through recognition, through awareness, through allowance. Chara atano koya chashai. Where have we been unable to be receptive to our own wounds? Tatara o chashai chokoya takai chashai. And more than that, the wounding that occurred, tatakoya chashai chahaya tokoya chashaya, which is really about the way we responded to what happened to us. That we must now go there, go within, chara otarai, to this pain, to this pressure, and fully sit with it. Chara atano koya chashai, chara atataki chasha oya. Sit with this feeling. Chara otana koya chashai chahaya tokoya. So that when someone or something else comes along, chara otara oshashi, when we are sitting with the reality of the wounding within us, we do not dismiss it in order to make the other feel comfortable. Chara otana ki chasha oya takai, chasha oya taki chasha oya. Chosho oya taki, choro oya takai chasha I, chasha I. Bringing the light here now. For you to absorb this within you. Not to make it go away, not to release this from you as if it was some sort of attachment to you, which only further allows this suppression. Feeling the sensations deeply and fully here. It is not who you are, but it is what happened to you. And that must not be ignored. The depth of this challenge, the challenge of living, within this depth. Dara atoro o chana ki jara atana ki joro oya da kai jusha oya da ki. Breathing in dara onoro oya da shashaya. Breathing in life dara ono koya da shashi. Exhaling the repression to allow you to continue to sink deeper and deeper into communion. Here within Jo ona ki jusha oya da kai jusha. And so it is.